Hey, what's up everyone? I'm giving you a workout video that requires no equipment. This workout can be done from anywhere, even from the comfort of your house. This will help you burn calories anywhere you go. You can always do this workout when you are on a vacation. So I hope you will like this video. If you do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share this video as well. Let's start with the first exercise of the day, which is around the world lunges. Forward lunge, reverse lunge and side lunge will make 1 repetition in this exercise. So you need to perform 10 repetitions before you switch the leg. If you are doing this exercise for the first time, I would recommend keeping a chair by your side or holding the wall so that you do not lose your balance. Next exercise is knee ups. Adjust the speed of the exercise according to your comfort level. Start with a slower pace, and as you get the hang of the exercise, go ahead and add a jump to increase your heartbeat. You can perform anywhere between 10 to 20 repetitions of this exercise. The next exercise is standing hand to toe taps on alternate leg. Perform at least 10 repetitions on each leg. Next exercise is skater jumps. Once again, you can adjust the speed according to your comfort level. As you progress in the exercise, go ahead and add a jump. You can try to keep the landing foot in the air if possible. Next exercise is squat to alternate leg raise. Once again, as you gather speed, confidence as well as balance in this exercise, take it up a notch and make your heartbeat rise even more. So if you like this video and enjoy the workout, do not forget to subscribe, like and share my channel so that your friends and family could also benefit from the video and information I am putting out there. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.